Creating videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram has never been easier than it is today. In fact, in 2025, it's one of the best ways to build passive income, especially because almost every step of the process can now be automated with AI. Entire channels are doing this, and some of them have grown to millions of subscribers in just a few months. But let's be honest, I know exactly what's holding you back. You upload 2 or 3 videos, the views don't come right away, and you lose motivation. That's why so many people stay stuck in the same place. The truth is, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success doesn't happen overnight. You need patience, consistency, and the willingness to keep going even when the numbers don't look promising at first. Think about it. If the biggest channels had stopped uploading after just a couple of videos, they would never have reached where they are today. And for anyone who still believes it's just luck, let me correct you. It's about consistency, hard work, and adapting your strategy as you go. Another big challenge you face is time. Most of you don't have a background in video editing, and with work or school, spending 2 or 3 hours every day on a channel feels impossible. That's exactly why I cover the latest AI tools on my channel. And today, I'm going to show you one tool that solves all of these problems and can help you finally start your content creation journey without burning out. This AI tool can create videos for literally any viral niche. But before I reveal it, let's quickly talk about niches, because choosing the right one is half the battle. Short stories / Reddit stories with gameplay. Since 2023, this niche has exploded. People love listening to stories while watching gameplay in the background, and channels in this space are pulling in millions of views. Quiz niche, a surprisingly powerful niche. Look at channels like Hero Quiz. They've gained close to 1 million subscribers and countless views with simple, engaging quiz-style content. Fact and curiosity shorts. Quick, surprising facts always grab attention and are highly shareable. Perfect for short-form content. Animal and pet clips. Funny or heartwarming pet videos are evergreen. They never run out of demand. AI-generated motivational or business content. With AI voices and visuals, you can produce professional quality content that inspires viewers daily. So here's the key. Pick one niche, focus on it, and don't expect results on day 1 or even month 1. Shorts and social content grow with consistency and creativity. The more you post, the more chances you give yourself to go viral. Now, the AI tool I want to introduce is called Clipawise. This is an all-in-one AI video generator that allows you to create engaging, professional-looking videos without needing editing experience. Whether you want to make story videos, quizzes, or fact-based content, Clipawise has you covered. The best part? You can automate the entire process. Scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and even captions, so you can focus on scaling instead of spending hours editing. If you're serious about starting in 2025, this tool can save you months of wasted time. You'll find the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Here's the dashboard. As you can see, there are 6 different video types you can choose from: viral videos, faceless videos, AI host videos, quiz videos, Reddit stories, e-commerce videos, and business videos. Each category is designed for a specific purpose and audience. For each type, you can preview an example output before creating your own. Viral faceless videos use trending images combined with eye-catching effects, perfect for channels that focus on fast-paced, attention-grabbing content. AI host videos let an AI avatar speak in your place, so you don't need to appear on camera yourself. This is great for people who want a professional presence without recording themselves. Quiz videos are interactive and fun, ideal for boosting engagement and keeping viewers curious. Reddit story videos pair narration with a dynamic gaming-style background. This niche is currently exploding on YouTube, with many channels gaining millions of views simply by using this format. E-commerce videos are tailored for those who want to showcase products, grow a brand page, or boost sales for dropshipping and online stores. Finally, the business video option is designed for more professional content, giving entrepreneurs and companies the chance to present their ideas, services, or case studies in a polished format. In short, this dashboard gives you flexibility. Whether you're trying to go viral, build a faceless channel, sell products, or create professional brand content, there's a ready-made option for you. Now, let's create an e-commerce video as an example. First, we'll need a product. For this demo, I'll head over to Pinterest and select a product image, let's say a bottle of oil. After downloading the image, the next step is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a simple product description. It's important to give the AI a clear idea of the product so the description feels natural and accurate. Once we receive the text, we copy the script, add the name of the product, and paste the paragraph into the platform. Next, we upload the product image. After that, we simply click Next. The tool will take a few seconds, usually around 15 or less, to prepare the script. Here, you'll have the chance to review the text before moving forward. If needed, you can edit, modify, or improve the script right away. When everything looks good, we click Next again. At this stage, the AI starts generating high-quality images of the product. After waiting a short moment, you'll see multiple options appear. You can review each generated image and select the one you like best. The amazing part is that all of these images can be instantly transformed into a video with just one click. Once the video is created, we move on to the customization step. Here you'll find settings for the background music. You can choose whether to add it or keep the video silent. You'll also have control over captions, including style, font, and effects. Additional options such as backgrounds or visual enhancements are also available, giving you complete flexibility to design a polished e-commerce video that's ready to publish. You can also preview an example video at any time by simply clicking on the sample shown on the right. This allows you to watch it first and verify how the final result might look. Finally, we move on to the last step, generating the completed video. After clicking the button, we just wait a few seconds while the platform processes everything. Once it's ready, you'll see the download option appear. Click it, and there you have it, the finished product video, ready to watch, share, or upload directly to your store or social media pages. Now, let's try another type of video. I personally recommend the Reddit Stories niche. It never dies, and if done right, it can bring in millions of views. The key is to make your shorts engaging and story-driven, with a strong hook right at the start. You have two main options to begin. First, you can search for viral channels in this niche to get inspired. For example, find one you like, copy its link, and then head over to ChatGPT. There, you can ask the AI to analyze the channel's content and generate a fresh, engaging story for your first short complete with a powerful hook. Once you have that script, copy it and return to Clipwise. Here, paste your story into the editor and set up the options you prefer: language, timing, and background. For the background, I highly recommend using a gaming-style background, although you can also choose a satisfying loop or other visuals. After setting this up, click Generate Video. The AI will then process your script and start transforming it into a polished video. You can preview the text on screen before moving forward. If you want to tweak or improve anything, just type it in the box provided. If you're happy, click Start Video Generation. Next, check your settings for the voiceover and language. Choose the style you like and make sure the captions and Reddit card format match your vision. You can also edit the text scenes here if necessary. When ready, move to the next step. Before generating, you'll also get the chance to customize your captions. Pick the style, position, and effects. You can add background music if you want to make the story more engaging. Once everything is set, click Next, and this brings you to the final step. And boom, just wait a few moments and your Reddit story video will be ready. Preview it, make sure everything looks good, and then download it to share on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. A little advice before we finish: don't expect to reach your goal overnight. Success won't come on the first try or even the second day. You need to work consistently, keep pushing, and trust in your skills. Nothing comes easy, but if you stay dedicated, one day you'll look back and proudly say, "I made it." Even if your first video gets 0 views, that's not a problem. Just keep experimenting, change the music, try different styles, or even test a new channel until you find what works. Believe in yourself, because persistence always pays off. And remember, if you ever face any problem, you can always reach out to me via Telegram or email. I'll be happy to help. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't Clippywise a paid tool? Yes, it is. But it's actually one of the most affordable ones out there, while still delivering great quality. It costs only $25 per month for 40 videos. That's about 60 cents per video. And honestly, even if your RPM is just 60 cents for 1,000 views, you've already made back the money you invested. So don't wait. Start creating, stay consistent, and make it happen. You'll find the link in the description. Love you all. Miko is back, and together, we're going to make it again. Bye-bye.